Right now, we're seeing a sentiment score of plus 0.10 for the world, but what stands out is that momentum at minus 0.80. This isn't just a minor fluctuation, it's a stark reversal from the recent trends we've seen. You might find it alarming that sentiment is slightly positive while momentum is plunging. This divergence can signal underlying tensions or shifts in sentiment that could impact your strategies. Our API returns comprehensive sentiment data, including semantic clusters, to help you identify themes driving this current sentiment. Imagine using this insight to inform real-time decision-making in your applications. For example, you could analyze user sentiment around global events to better tailor your content or products to what your audience is feeling. For more details, check out pulsebit.loj enterprise.com/docs.